All right, we are here on day 3. We know that on day 3 we have 3 new words, and they are Bliss, Valiant, and Revere. So let's take a look at the first word, bliss. Bliss means great joy or complete happiness. So synonyms for this word are joy and happiness. We know that a few weeks ago we learned that word elated, and elated means extremely happy and excited. So you feel bliss when you feel elated. Here's a nice example of bliss. I feel pure bliss when I am sitting by the pool and no one is talking to me. It's just silent. See the smile on her face? She is experiencing just pure bliss. The next word, valiant, means brave or courageous. So those are synonyms for the word valiant, brave and courageous. When the author used the words brave and courageous, he could have replaced them with the word valiant. Woo! Big vocabulary. So I want you to think, is this describing someone who is valiant or not so valiant? Serena is very afraid of spiders, but when she sees a spider crawling on her sleeping brother's arm, she reaches out and gently brushes it off of him. Was she valiant? Why or why not? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. Okay, let's take a look at another example. Dave and his dog, Digger, are playing on the frozen pond. The ice breaks, and Dave falls in. Digger crawls to Dave, grabs his jacket in his teeth, and pulls him out of the water. Is Digger valiant in this example? Why or why not? Let's look at another example. Mr. Brooks sees a traffic accident. People are hurt, and one of the cars is on fire. Mr. Brooks drives away saying, "I am late and I don't want to get involved." Is Mr. Brooks valiant? Why or why not? Right, in this example, Mr. Brooks should probably maybe stop to see if there's anyone who needs help. And somebody who's really brave and courageous probably isn't going to drive away saying that I don't want to get involved. Let's look at the next word, revere. This word refers to greatly respecting and admiring something or someone. You might revere or greatly respect and admire someone you know. Maybe this is a family member, maybe it's a teacher, maybe it's a coach. Maybe you revere someone that you don't personally know, but maybe you've seen them on TV or you've read about them. Maybe it's like a sports star or a famous singer or a movie star. Some people even revere historical figures who have accomplished great things, such as Harriet Tubman, Abraham Lincoln, or even John F. Kennedy. So I want you to think right now to yourself, who is someone who you revere? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk, or you can think to yourself. Use this sentence frame to complete your thought. So who is someone you greatly respect or admire? Okay, that wraps up day 3, boys and girls. See you back tomorrow for day 4.